ear go stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Which one you do? Because I touch my hair, you sef won't touch your.
No, I want to achamile.
Ilegini.
I like the puff puff with the top of your head.
You want to buy? I'm selling. Come on, take.
I'm gonna name it
For what? I'm not that cheap because. Oh. If you just join us, yes, so now your health, like you can see, and now maybe your one and only Dr. Adora. The matter where they ground today, it concern natural hair. Oyibo they call them nappy hair. As you know, they say the one where black people get. Say other one where they never put relaxer inside. Yes, they call them nappy hair. And this same nappy hair, you know, say we don't discover say get some kind of places where they don't refuse. In fact, they don't pursue people from work, or they refuse to give them work. Yes, because they carry natural hair. Say it doesn't look nice. It look like a mop. My friend tell me, say, brother, say, what's this mop that you're carrying on your head? Remove it. Then on top that one, you know, say, some people, they feel say they unprofessional. Or if they go some kind of job interview, they'll say, no, we cannot give you this job. But right now, hey, natural hair, he said trending. That's now why today on top of the show, we don't carry some natural hair gist, can't give you. But say, you see my Luchi baby again. She's the one that we do this work together. Even though she wanted to buy puff puff, my head be like, I just say puff puff.
No, you know, say I don't even count the puff puff. It be like say, you know, past 10. So if I give you 15 naira, I don't buy your market for the whole day.
If I blow you,
you don't need to go home.
Nonsense.
All right, yes, so now natural hair they talk about, and as Dr. Dora talk, I know you they call that nappy hair. But on top of today matter, we'll give you some kind of natural tips on how you go fit to take care of your hair. Then we also get one of our own person. As a matter of fact, she come and style my hair this today, just as you are seeing it. She go give you, she even carry person where she arrange the hair on top. Or how we arrange and finish, she said go confirm and say, hey, yanka day. But this one's still they still full show. It's still there for front. So you're going to need to wait in Peshimele because slow and steady wins the race. This is not Ninja, half-cast Luchi and Nabang. And I follow the inside the show for today.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Not be started on top of puffle.
Sorry, no verse. You know, so this natural hair issue, it don't even cause problem for couple.
Very true. Very true.
You want me to go to say, I don't understand what you are doing. You know, say natural hair is trending. Say, no, I don't like it. Please go and relax it. Then she not go agree. Say, no, you cannot tell me what to do.
But you know, I'd always the one that say, why it be say, anything Oyibo people come for us, we accept and with our hand wide open.
I don't know.
But if now our own natural thing, you go close hand like this. Your hand go bend.
That's now why some people don't decide, say they won't carry their natural hair. Say no, they cannot keep telling us what to do. We tell them that natural hair is beautiful.
Super, my doctor. You're in the spirit.
Anyway, I beg, we would like you to share your experiences on top of this natural hair matter. Yes, like I don't tell you before, some people then lose jobs, some people they don't give them job employment because of natural hair. Then some people don't cause casala between husband and wife. So in case you get any gist about this natural hair matter, please, we do on top Facebook. Follow us personally on the Instagram, even Twitter. We are there for you. Just give us the gist, and we will carry and share with other people to encourage their ministry.
Take it the ministry to the natural and permanent site. But you know, so this natural hair they talk about. So we not just talk about natural hair. We will not first explain what natural hair be. For some of us, we no go school. Person like me, if you know, I no go to school. Forget that thing.
You not go to school.
I no go school. As you know, say you go school.
So why you they lie all this kind of lie on top national television?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, ma. Natural hair now they talk about. And natural, everything natural hair be. Natural hair na hair where they don't use chemical on top. Or people they call them virgin hair. Hair will not get any form of chemical. If your hair get chemical, then you cut off that part where the chemical day, you get natural hair. And that one means as you get this natural hair, so you know they put any other harsh chemical on top to change the state. The important thing, the thing we're going to say no natural hair, now the state of the hair. As Dr. Dora talks in friend corner, I say now mop. Some people they call it sponge. All this a cake sponge. Yes, if you get that kind of hair, like me, I get nappy hair, and this one, now my nappy hair.
For your mind, and the nappy hair. And you know, say right about now. What we want to give you now, just on top some tips to help you in case you are like me and you are thinking about it. People like me, whenever we touch our hair, 4 months now, going to 5 months. We're trying to fake it until we make it.
Really fake it until you make it.
And I can't, I don't know why I carry this Agbama put for head. I wanted to get in touch with my...
My nappy has been here for almost 2 years.
How come we don't used to really see it like that now? Show us the nappy.
The package now.
The package for the end time.
For the end time ministry things.
Well, the first thing on top the tips where you suppose know to help take care of this your natural beautiful hair, to make her beautiful. Now say make you they chop the right things. Person go tell me say, Dr. Adora, how food where I want chop go affect my hair? Oh my dear, it they affect her well. Because if you they chop the right amount of proteins, it will help you to get beautiful hair. On top that one, living a healthy lifestyle. If you they drink water, all these ones go to help to they wash out all the nonsense, jagbadantis toxins we don't build up inside your system. And you know say anything where we they taking, they find a way to come out. So you are what you eat. Your hair too is what you eat. And proteins now building blocks of the body. So if you they take better proteins like lentils, leafy vegetables, green leafy vegetables, even some kind, olive oil, cod liver oil for some people, it they help to make sure say your hair they very boisterous and in fact I won't call them nutritious. Yes, people they get nutritious even though we know they chop up. Your hair they very casual and on point. Now all this one will help you.
Stay away from stylish treatments. Especially the ones where they use for hair we get chemical. You know as your hair they so it be your crown. You know go one get hair where the hair they start from here. Iyarugbo, yepa, modaro. Hey, you don't dare on top of yourself. Because a lot of girls, a lot of us, we know ourselves. You see, matter if you no get away from December to December, you know they see hair. As they remove one, they put another one. As they remove one, they put, they see, you just don't see the person there. For my place, they call them bam bam. Your hair they start from here. You don't get for hair. And now all these treatments, these chemicals, now they chop them. Even if you won't use any chemical on top of your hair, and say you get natural hair, reduce the amount of time where they use them. If you they use them like 5 times in a year, reduce them to once. Because the lesser you they use all these chemicals on top of your natural hair, the better and your hair go. Because your hair will get chance to grow, to get mouth and liver, to do rock things with every other person on top competition level. Apart from that one, if you want to treat your hair, maybe as you don't use other chemicals them on top them, you want to treat them. Maybe the hair is damaged, or you get 1 or 2 things will happen to them. No go after those other chemicals where they talk, say, this chemical, it's very good for this. Instead, go natural, go for natural products. In fact, go green. In fact, go aloe vera green. Aloe vera, it get plenty work when they do on top your hair. If you carry the aloe vera yourself, or you open and use the cord, that and the thick part of them, use them because it they give your hair a fresh breath of life.
Oh.
I am talking from experience. Forget, I don't want to show now my nappy hair now. I just repackage them. I know the manager and the repackage them.
Sorry.
I don't like you say they talk so.
Not vest now. Not vest.
Which kind of one be that one?
Took mouth inside that aloe vera something. In case you never know as you want to use the aloe vera. If you know say you want add volume, that's now make the hair for full. Because now waiting they no, you know pass up now. Now waiting they worry most of us. If you see most of our hair, all those ones where relax are don't damage. They know they get weight again. So for your nappy hair, if you just they groom the hair, make it begin to get life. If you use that aloe vera like this, you can't apply them like hair mask. It is preferably to wrap it. If you wrap it for like 30 minutes, just put them on top. You go notice after some time, with regular use, your hair will get bounce. It will get shine. It will get body. Understand? Then on top of that, what's all this bouncing that you're bouncing?
You say it go get bounce. My nappy hair get bounce. Now they bounce me, not be me. Wow.
Then you get the one where they call the cord. C-U-R-D. I just said they go show you the picture. If you see her now, that's cord. If you take 2 tablespoonfuls, I'm explaining it to you now, I'm breaking it down, with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, apply them to the roots of your hair, both the roots and the length. Instead of hair conditioner and shampoo, all those one or both thing where they do, if you put this one inside your hair, you go notice it go add a lot of shine and silkiness to your hair. So it's not going to be hard. Understand? All those ones, because some people, why do they fear their natural hair? Especially me too. Even though right now I'm grooming myself, I'm faking it till I make it. Why do they fear that? Because of the hardness of the hair. But this cord and this mixture, what I just tell you now with lemon juice, mix them, use them like that on top of your hair. It will help your hair to be very silky and very shiny.
You say lemon juice.
Sorry, what? I'm not calling juice, so please. According to you, I go school, please. I go school. Okay. I go school.
So
because you know what I remember? Person tell me, say they see me for television. He can they defend me. Say I can speak English. There's no worry. Please.
Come on, see.
Lochime, we show them say we can speak English. Let's show them.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
All right, so.
So, baby girl, we know how to speak English, don't we?
Oh, yes, we do. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, we do.
Oh, yes, you know what I'm saying? Ain't like that.
You can help yourself.
We still talk about natural hair, and I still Wazobia. We did talk everything on top. And this one, you know, so you need to keep your scalp from oil and from dirty. Yes. No, they overpack oil. We know say natural hair you get. Natural hair, yes. We know say you need oil. But this oil what they talk about now, you know, as the pronouncer, it's not oil. It's oil.
Oil.
Check me out.
Oil life.
I go school. It's not good here. Anyway, okay. So oil, yes, you add oil. But you know, say even to wash your hair every day, you're not supposed to wash your hair every day because as they wash your hair every day, they come out all the essential oil. Wait for essential oil. Wait for inside your hair. So if you give your hair interval, maybe three times a week, if you to wash them, that one too could help keep your oil intact because this oil where they pack for your hair, it they attract dust, it they block your pores. You know, go make your hair breathe in the long run.
Now, finally, before we buy a break and bring that our in-house correct stylist to help you, show you some styles you can use to do on your natural hair. Please, if you want to use shampoo and conditioner, you have to find the one that is good for your hair. And how you gonna know the one where they good for your hair? I'm gonna by trial and error. Get some kind of things where if you just check them, you say, okay, you don't use this one for a period of time, you see, say, it help your hair to blossom well, then you keep using it. If you know say they damage your hair after a while, please stop. Please, we're about to take a break now, please. When we come back, our hairstylist will show you some styles that can help you to rock your natural hair in the right way.
Take it away, baby.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, comot your shoe or leave am. Na your health don return.
Good morning, people. My name is Sola Akomu, and today I wan show una how na take style on a natural hair. The one where you fit carry every day, and the one where we say you fit carry when you dey comot. Maybe you get one big wedding, one event, or even for your wedding self. So now, so we'll go begin. Before we begin now, we get canned water for here. We'll go sprinkle for the hair. This one now go make the hair soft, and it go dey easy to comb. After you sprinkle them like that, just use your hand, massage the water inside your hair. Don't forget, say this hair now don't dey wash. We dey take the comb, take smoothing the hair, so that we go fit pack am to our desired style. Then don't forget, if you dey comb natural hair like this, make you no start from the roots. As I cut am small, so you hold them like this, then comb the tip out. Then the comb and they go down like that to the root of the hair. So with this method, the hair goes smooth well. So after you don't comb the hair well, like this, that's the way you go do. Be say you carry small comb, what then they call tail comb, or this kind comb. Then you carry the hair go one side. You smoothing the side out with that small brush, the small comb rather. Smoothing out well, like that. Don't forget, this one I know they use the comb balm, I just use the smooth the side. Then you can carry brush. This kind of brush now you go use. Plenty guys they get this kind of brush for house, and if you find out for market anywhere, you take and smoothing out the hair like this. Then you use your bobby pin, this small black pin where would they take the style hair. So this kind, you just put them, slide them inside the hair. You use like 4 to 5 for one side. Okay. Then you go the other side too. You smooth them out with your comb well. Use your bobby pin just like we do for the other side. You pin them down like that. see am now. This kind hair now, if you carry and go come out for everyday activity, whether they go office or you just want play, come out to go market to anywhere. This kind one go well. Then you press them. You know, say natural hair get as it be. You know, they all the end, no they smooth together. So you take your hand, press them together, press them down. So the second one what we want to do now be the one where we say you fit carry go event, carry go wedding, carry go correct occasions, all this owambe. If you no want tie gele, and as it be say na natural hair they carry, so you no want carry wig or you no want fix your hair. The same method we take do this first one, now we go take do them again. You sprinkle water first, then you comb everything out. So as if you say you don't comb am out, so now you still carry your comb, or if you like, you use cotton comb. And they divide this hair now into two. Now they divide this one. And then you want to go fit even do this hair for house. You no need to enter salon because you will still chop money. Then you carry rubber band, pack the back together. Like say you want to do pok puff. The front tone too, you comb am out. This front, oh, now it can't depend on the style where you can't want to. If you want to make it day middle, fine. If you want to make it day one side, fine. All of them are in there fine. But today, the one we go do, now the one with the day side. Mark around, come this for the side. You see as it's smooth, so now you still use your rubber band, pack them. If you like, if you use thread too, that black thread where it tastes so close, you just make the thread thick. After you don't get something like this now, see as the side be. See say it gets like straight part for here. Now see the front, now so it dey one side. So now this extension that they call them kinky, if you get them for market, get them anywhere, you just open them, twist them. Like as they twist them, normal hair, just twist them like this. This one where they are now 2-pack be this. If you want to make the hair full well, now the 2-pack now you go use. But if you don't make it too full, you manage LA1 or 1.5. But today, now 2 and would they use. So what you go do be say this one now, I still say the end, just they braided. You go use rubber bands, still take all lamb like this. LA1 go fit do this one. Just sit down for front of mirror for house, you go do them. So I say be now. I'll come carry the remaining one where remain for here. Take all arm with the hair like this. You don't say as it come be now. I'll just drop on like that. Now, this puff where they here now, you feel mat them like this. Use baby pin. Take all and go down like that. Then see this one now where they here now. We go just roll them. Very simple hairstyle like that though. So you go roll them. Sorry, the thing be hang my clothes more. Okay. We just roll them like that. Then you put the hand inside for back. So it be now. Then you use pin, take olam. And they tell you say this style you don't even need to put needle and thread like say they fix them. But another thing be say, like I tell you, say this one a quick style where you want go fit do. I know say you know if they use needle and thread, they sew for yourself head. Although some people fit too. People like me now go fit. So you just use the pin, take all and down, all and down, all and down. Make sure say they put the pin inside the air. If they reach your scalp gongo, if they reach the air where they under, so that you go feel all am down. You no go fall for road. Make you no be say you come dey waka for road now. your hair go come off for road. So make sure say you get plenty pins to take hold am down well. Now, see as the front come be now. You don't see how it be. Okay. See this one where they come out now. You just put it under. Okay. So now like this, now in the back go be too. Yeah. So this now no even take more than take plenty time at all. Then don't forget you use your edge control and your brush, smoothing out the edges. You do the other side too like that. Finish. See how beautiful she can look now. Turn the head. Make them see her well. Turn the other side too. So now so we finish the hairstyle for today. Very simple and easy and beautiful. Till we see again next time. Kachifo.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
You know, say this hair where they touch, I know say you like us at the touch I be. I don't tell you I'm a nappy hair. You need to believe me. This is my nappy look. All right, yes, you welcome back and you still there on top. Now your health. And today we're talk about natural hair care tips, all the things we concern natural hair. We'd already bring somebody will come out inside the studio. Do show you examples of ways where you feel to style nappy hair. So not the fear say you know go fit style them. They're different. In fact, it plenty past one way she even do for herself. If you not only can stick to us, we'll be giving you more as time goes on.
Very more as time goes on. The long and short, we say if you want good hair, please invest good time and good money. That is just no, but not true now. You don't say to maintain natural hair is expensive. Even though we have some natural things that you can just easily get, but the truth be say you have to be committed. And that commitment make me fear am from the beginning.
But you don't go 5 months now.
I'm just, I say I'm faking it until I make it. That's why they talk. With these few points of ours, we hope that we have been able to convince you and not confuse you that it is not a bad idea to go natural. True. In fact, that is how you were created. When they're born, you relax and not do your hair. So please, let's find a way to be wise about all of these things.
Now when I heard it like this, sorry.
But if they beat you, I know they yell.
I was not here. In front of us.
I was not here when you were saying it.
We don't go. We don't finish.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.